Good morning, this is Daniel Desjardins, Chief Student Meteorologist for the Severe Weather Center Weather Forecast Office in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today's date is Thursday, June 20th, 2019, and now sunrise 5:04 a.m. and sunset 10:07 p.m. And today's weather, it will be cloudy with showers, with a high temperature of 16 degrees Celsius. And it feels like 15, and the wind is actually coming from the east at 14 kilometers per hour, gusting to 27 kilometers per hour. Relative humidity 95%, and pressure is rising to 100.3 kilopascals. And tonight it will be mainly cloudy with a low temperature of 11 degrees. And let's look at the 4-day weather forecast. And this weekend we're going to bump into some thunderstorms. On Friday, we're going to have a risk of strong thunderstorms with a high 22 and low 11. And then on Saturday, risk of strong thunderstorms, high 20 and low 11. And then on Sunday, risk of a thunderstorm, high 20, low 11. And then on Monday, partly cloudy, high 19, low 10. Up next is the almanac. Yesterday's high 15 degrees. Yesterday's low is 7 degrees Celsius. The warmest temperature was in 1919 at 31.7 degrees Celsius. The coldest temperature was in 1931 at minus 1.1 degrees Celsius. You can follow me at www.DesjardinsWeatherman.com. You can go to the Weatherman Network on your favorite app store, and I say thank you.